Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's going to level up your productivity. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or just tired of switching between tabs every 2 seconds. Today I'm reviewing this dual screen stand, the X90D from KYY. And let me tell you, it's not your average tech accessory. So let's get into it. So compatibility is where this stand really shines. So whether you're using a MacBook, a Surface, iPad Pro, this stand handles it all with ease. The rubber grips and adjustable arms ensure a secure fit, no slipping, no wobble. Each screen has individual controls and you can even switch one off if necessary. To connect it, all you have to do is connect the USB with the driver and install that, and then connect the power and the USB-C to connect to your device. You can see the quality in the materials that they use. So this is actually an all-metal design with robust CNC aluminum alloy shell. So not only does it look fantastic, but it's gonna be sturdy because, well, you are going to be taking this with you everywhere you go. Because of this hinge design, it's actually able to hold different laptop sizes from 12 inches all the way up to 17 inches. Mirror mode, perfect for screen sharing or presenting. It shows the same content on both screens. Extended mode, a dream for multitaskers. 2 separate screens side by side. Portrait mode, great for coding, reading, or writing. Just rotate one screen vertically. Triangle setup, ideal for meetings or mobile podcasts. You and your guests each get to see their own screen. And in it, and make sure that you are overlapping the correct way when you're dragging your cursor across. So this dual screen stand, worth it? For me, 100% yes. It's versatile, sturdy, and ultra portable. Whether you're a student, remote worker, creative, or just someone trying to reduce window hopping, this thing delivers. And because it folds down flat, it's easy to travel with. No more stacking books or propping up your second screen with whatever's nearby. So my absolute favorite feature about this is the fact it's so versatile. Now it can be set up as a permanent fixture at your desk. You can set this up with your laptop, a mini PC as a single screen. You can set it up with your phone if you really need to project something on a larger screen. And the best thing is it's portable, meaning look, it's not much bigger than a laptop. Together with your laptop, you can just throw this in a backpack and take it wherever you need to set up your office for the day. It's super sleek, it's super modern, and it's super thin as well. The quality of the screens is incredible. It's so clear and vivid, which means your work colleagues will be seeing everything on the screen as clear and crystal as your laptop or computer itself. We're gonna leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. If this review helped you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews like this, and let me know in the comments, how would you use this dual screen setup? We'll see you in the next one.